we inherited a cat recently, and so now we got two of them. Probably a good time to go out and get this Whisker City Freefall Fountain. Picked this up from the local PetSmart shop. Hi there, you've tuned into the Unboxing with Marty channel. If you enjoyed this video and the videos on this channel, subscribe. First, before we open this box, let's take a walk around it. Always a pretty good idea to have a look at the front of the box first. On this side of the box there's some good information. It's easy to clean, easy to fill, low water detection with an auto shutoff. It's got a quiet pump, splash pad, and a replaceable filter cartridge. Here on the bottom of the box you've got instructions. Take a glance at these instructions. They're pretty easy to follow. This side's going to tell you a little bit that it was designed for easy clean and fill. Hey, how you doing? You're tuned into the Unboxing with Marty channel. If you're enjoying this video and the videos on this channel, now might be a good time to hit that subscribe button. When you hit that subscribe button, you're supporting this channel and you're helping this channel grow. That being said, let's get back to the video. Time to open the box. Immediately, we are greeted with the instruction manual. This little box here contains the power supply. And here, nicely wrapped, is the Freefall Fountain. Going to get a closer look at this power supply. The power supply goes here. The instructions do give detailed information on how to clean the Freefall Fountain. Here's where you'll find the filter. Follow the instruction manual and you're good to go. And this is what comes in the box. This cat likes to drink straight from the fountain. And this one prefers to dip his paw for a drink. What will your cat do? And as always, thank you for watching.